Ecom Squeezed. Quick tips from Retail-Outsource. I'm Aaron, and in this video, I will walk you through the new eBay payment system for which you can register at the moment. Once you've logged onto your account, under Payments, you will be able to see the link and you can sign up using the link. I will walk you through the full steps to follow. So, once you click on the link, it will ask you to sign up. And then a few questions. Well, let's do it together. So here we go. The first one is selecting your business type. If it's a limited company or not, we are. So I will click yes. Then the legal entity. I will choose the first option as well. Click continue. And it takes you to your info page. You can add your business name, then the details which would normally be auto-filled based on your entry while you register on eBay. So if there is something missing, you can enter here. Once done, click continue. For the next option, usually it will also be auto-filled. And if there is something missing, you can add it, but make sure that you verify the details once more. You also need to confirm that you are the director and you own at least 25% of the equity. Click on these two and then click continue. Here, yes, it's fine, and then click continue. The next step is to fill in the bank details. Fill in all the information here. The bank account detail, the bank name, the source code, etc. And tick the checkbox confirming you are the owner of the account. Now click continue. Here, it will ask you to upload a bank statement. You can see the requirements for the bank statements here. It can be a screenshot. It has to be less than 3 months old. And it has to display the bank details like the account number, sort code, address, etc. And you also have an option to black out the transaction details for your security. And then click continue. Once you click on continue, it shows you a review of all the things you've added, and you can recheck it. Once you're happy with it, you can click on submit. That's it. In just a few steps, it's done. Thanks for watching, and if you have further comments or any questions, please comment on the video. If you're selling on eBay or Amazon, you could book a 30-minute free consultation from the link on the description.